Today this video is going to be about lures. Okay, what's up guys? This is BDB Fishing here, bringing you another lure tutorial tip, whatever you want to call it. The top 5 lures that I like to use all year round. My first weapon of choice, or lure of choice, whatever you want to call it, is this Berkley power bait. Now this is the Crawdad. And what I have on this one is a 1/8 ounce jig. And I like to throw this up against docks or any type of structure in the water. I like to get it as close to the shore as possible. So I like that a lot. Last year we caught about maybe 20 bass in 2 hours, me and my friends. It's a really efficient lure. They're pretty cheap. You can get pay $4 for like a packet of 8. My second weapon of choice is this Yum Mighty Worm. Now this thing, as you can see, it's pretty big. I like to Texas rig this and drag it across the bottom. Normally, I like to fish this in laydowns. Again, here's the more common looking Texas rig of this worm. As you can see, we got a smaller hook and of course it's much smaller. My third favorite lure is the Strike King spinnerbait. Now this I believe is 1/2 ounce. I put a trailer on the back and I've caught many fish in the winter time with this. Now this is a really efficient bait for fishing a large area in a small amount of time. You can cast this out maybe 50 to 80 feet depending how good your rod and reel are, and you just want to keep this off the bottom. I fish in maybe 2-inch visibility water, so I like these shiny spinners. Now the only thing I recommend that this doesn't have is this silver spinner here. I like to get gold ones because I've had a lot more success with these gold spinners. So I would recommend trying out some gold ones and some silver. You know, maybe this silver will work, but with me, the gold works much better. And then again, you can put a trail on here, a crawdad. And I like these a lot because you can also fish these on big rock piles. These won't get stuck because of this shape here. If it hits a rock, it'll go over it. And I like that a lot because these are pretty expensive. I would say maybe $3, $4, $5 for one of these, and it catches you the fish, I'll tell you that. My fourth favorite jig is this Bass Pro Shops brand football jig. You fish it just like one of these spinnerbait. My fifth favorite lure is this Yamamoto baby bass crankbait. This one I believe fishes in 4 to 7 feet of water, and you can get down to the depth you want. I normally fish in 10 feet of water, so this gets it towards the middle to the low end of the floor. Since I only fish in 2-inch to 4-inch visibility, I like how it has this shiny coating in the inside, so that also increases the ability to catch the bass in muddy water. The only thing that I don't like is sometimes these bills break off, and like I said, these are pretty expensive. They're about $5, $6. I highly recommend this bait called the Baby Bass. That's it guys. I hope I've helped you with your lure selection and bait selection for all year round fishing. Please hit like here and subscribe here. And remember, I post daily videos, one on Saturday and one on Thursday every week. So make sure you watch those and just like and subscribe. BDB Fishing. Peace.